The Junkers D.I, factory designation J9, was a monoplane fighter aircraft produced in Germany late in World War I, significant for becoming the first all-metal fighter to enter service. The prototype, a private venture by Junkers named the J7, first flew on 17 September 1917, going through nearly a half-dozen detail changes in its design during its tests. When it was demonstrated to the ID Egg early the following year, it proved impressive enough to result in an order for 3 additional aircraft for trials. The changes made by Junkers were significant enough for the firm to rename the next example the J9, which was supplied to the ID Egg instead of the 3 J7s ordered.